Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in bright white. With black headlamp bezel finish, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black lens tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5157A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.